Hi, I'm Zach. This is Bobby, product manager. Today we're going to address the question we get all the time: how to pick the right pump for the right job. Picking the right pump comes down to where you are, what you're doing, and what kind of power source you've got. No matter what pump you use, you always want to make sure there's enough oil in your reservoir to fill your hoses and hydraulic tools all the way. The key to determining the size and power is finding out the difference between too much and not enough.
It's important to look at the flow rate or speed of your pump to make sure it meets your application needs.
And now electric pumps. These are for heavy duty, high production applications, or for that boss who feels guilty making you use a hand pump to push the same bearing in the same shaft for 20 years. They deliver faster flow and higher performance compared to our air or hand pumps.
And Zach, what about our voltages and sizes?
Great question, Bobby. We've got plenty of options. 1/2 horse to 7.5 horsepower, 1 to 40 gallon reservoirs, single or 3-phase, 120 to 40 volt options. There are also countless valve options as well for our BVA electric pumps.
That's it. Right pump, right job. Upgrade to BVA where you've always got the power where you need it.